Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about adaptation to market trends for the wooden crafts project idea by showing you a collection wooden crafts project ideas for every time high selling rate and also to decorate your home, office, or patio space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Adapting to market trends is a crucial aspect of success in the world of wooden crafts, as it empowers artisans to create relevant products that resonate with consumers' preferences and demands. In a marketplace characterized by rapid changes in style, consumer behavior, and environmental awareness, the ability to pivot and innovate is essential for artisans seeking to establish a sustainable business. One of the foremost trends influencing the wooden crafts industry is the rising demand for eco-friendly and sustainable products. As consumers become increasingly aware of their environmental impact, they seek out items that reflect their values, leading many artisans to explore the use of reclaimed wood, sustainably sourced materials, and non-toxic finishes. This shift not only aligns with consumer preferences but also allows artisans to tell a compelling story about their products, emphasizing the importance of sustainability in their crafting process. By highlighting the origins of the materials they use and the environmentally friendly practices they adopt, artisans can forge a deeper connection with their audience, appealing to eco-conscious consumers who prioritize ethical consumption. Moreover, the trend toward minimalism and simplicity in design has gained significant traction in recent years, influencing the aesthetic direction of wooden crafts. Consumers are increasingly drawn to clean lines, functional forms, and understated elegance, which resonate with their desire for clutter-free living spaces. Artisans who embrace this trend can create pieces that embody minimalism while still showcasing the natural beauty of wood. For example, a simple wooden coffee table with a sleek design can serve both as a functional piece of furniture and as a striking focal point in a room. By focusing on the inherent qualities of the wood, its grain, texture, and color, crafters can create designs that feel both modern and timeless, appealing to those looking to invest in quality items that enhance their living environments without overwhelming them. This adaptability to minimalist trends allows artisans to cater to a demographic that values both aesthetics and functionality, ensuring their creations remain relevant in a competitive marketplace. Another significant market trend impacting wooden crafts is the increasing popularity of personalized and customizable products. As consumers seek unique items that reflect their individuality, artisans have the opportunity to offer bespoke services that cater to these desires. Customization can take many forms, from personalized engravings on wooden gifts to tailored designs that meet specific needs or preferences. For instance, a wooden sign with a family name or a set of coasters featuring custom artwork can make for thoughtful gifts or cherished home decor. By allowing customers to engage in the design process, artisans not only create a more meaningful product but also foster a sense of ownership and connection between the buyer and the crafted item. This trend toward personalization can significantly enhance the perceived value of wooden crafts, encouraging consumers to invest in items that resonate with their identities and experiences. Furthermore, the rise of online shopping and social media has transformed the way artisans market and sell their wooden crafts. Many consumers now prefer shopping from the comfort of their homes, leading to the growth of e-commerce platforms that cater to handmade goods. Artisans who adapt to this shift by establishing an online presence can reach a broader audience and create new revenue streams. High-quality images and engaging content shared on platforms like Instagram and Pinterest can showcase the beauty and craftsmanship of wooden items, drawing in potential buyers and fostering a sense of community around their brand. Additionally, social media allows artisans to interact with their audience, gaining valuable feedback and insights that can inform future product development. By leveraging digital marketing strategies, artisans can stay attuned to market trends and consumer preferences, ensuring their offerings remain relevant and appealing. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In tandem with the shift toward online sales, the trend of supporting local artisans and small businesses has gained momentum, particularly in the wake of global events that have prompted consumers to reflect on their purchasing habits. Many individuals now prioritize buying from local makers, recognizing the value of supporting their communities and investing in quality craftsmanship. For artisans, this trend presents an opportunity to emphasize their local roots and the craftsmanship that goes into each piece. By sharing the story behind their work, such as the techniques used, the inspiration for their designs, and the materials sourced from local suppliers, artisans can create a narrative that resonates with consumers seeking authenticity and connection. This emphasis on locality not only enhances the appeal of their products, but also fosters a sense of pride among buyers, who feel they are contributing to the sustainability of their community. Additionally, the trend of integrating technology into crafting processes has influenced the wooden crafts market in intriguing ways. The advent of laser cutting technology, CNC machines, and other digital tools has opened up new avenues for creativity and precision in woodworking. Artisans who embrace these technologies can expand their design possibilities, creating intricate patterns and details that may have been challenging to achieve by hand. This integration of technology does not replace traditional crafting methods, rather, it complements them, allowing artisans to innovate while maintaining the authenticity and charm of handmade goods. By adapting to these technological advancements, artisans can appeal to a tech-savvy audience that values both craftsmanship and modern design, positioning their wooden crafts as contemporary and relevant. Moreover, the trend of experiential retail has emerged as a powerful force in the marketplace. Consumers are increasingly seeking experiences rather than just products, leading artisans to explore new ways to engage their audience. Workshops, classes, and hands-on demonstrations that invite customers to participate in the crafting process can create memorable experiences that foster a deeper appreciation for the art of woodworking. By offering opportunities for individuals to learn and create alongside them, artisans can build a loyal following and turn casual shoppers into dedicated customers. These experiences not only enhance the perceived value of the crafts but also allow artisans to share their passion and expertise, creating a sense of community around their work. The influence of home decor trends on wooden crafts cannot be overstated, as consumers frequently seek items that align with current interior design aesthetics. From rustic farmhouse styles to modern Scandinavian influences, the versatility of wood allows artisans to adapt their creations to fit a wide range of decor themes. For example, a handcrafted wooden serving board can seamlessly transition from a rustic kitchen to a modern dining room, depending on the finish and design. By staying informed about popular home decor trends, artisans can create pieces that resonate with consumers and enhance their living spaces. This adaptability to style shifts ensures that wooden crafts remain relevant and desirable, encouraging consumers to incorporate them into their homes. In addition to design trends, the growing emphasis on wellness and mindfulness has influenced consumer behavior, prompting artisans to create items that promote relaxation and well-being. Wooden crafts that evoke a sense of tranquility, such as meditation benches, essential oil holders, or natural wood decor, can cater to individuals seeking to create calming environments. By incorporating elements of nature and organic materials into their designs, artisans can tap into the desire for a more balanced and peaceful lifestyle. This alignment with wellness trends not only enhances the appeal of wooden crafts, but also allows artisans to contribute positively to their customers' lives, creating meaningful connections through their work. Lastly, the trend of storytelling and branding has gained prominence, emphasizing the narratives behind products and the artisans who create them. Consumers are increasingly drawn to brands that share their story, mission, and values, fostering a sense of connection and loyalty. Artisans who embrace this trend can effectively communicate the inspiration behind their wooden crafts, the techniques they use, and the passion that drives their work. By sharing their journey, artisans can create a compelling narrative that resonates with consumers, encouraging them to support their crafts not just for the product itself but for the story it represents. This storytelling approach enhances brand identity and builds trust with customers, leading to repeat business and positive word-of-mouth recommendations. Adapting to market trends is an essential aspect of success for artisans in the wooden crafts industry. By staying attuned to consumer preferences, environmental considerations, and aesthetic shifts, artisans can create relevant and appealing products that resonate with their audience. The emphasis on sustainability, minimalism, personalization, and local craftsmanship provides artisans with numerous avenues to differentiate themselves in a competitive marketplace. Furthermore, the integration of technology, the focus on experiential retail, and the importance of storytelling in branding enable artisans to engage with consumers on multiple levels, fostering a sense of connection and loyalty. As the landscape of wooden crafts continues to evolve, artisans who embrace these trends while remaining true to their craftsmanship will not only thrive in the marketplace, but also contribute to a rich tapestry of creativity and artistry that enhances the lives of consumers everywhere. Adapting to market trends is not merely a business strategy, it is a celebration of the dynamic relationship between artisans and their audience, a dance of innovation that keeps the spirit of woodworking alive and relevant in an ever-changing world. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.